Let me show my game engine demo. This is my game engine demo. There are totally 14 sprites on the screen. This is a squid, a UFO, a crab, and an octopus. They are static and they cannot move. This UFO is moving backward and forward on the screen. These three sprites are moving backward and forward at a low speed. These three sprites are moving and rotating on the screen. They also move backward and forward. This UFO is scaling. It can become smaller and bigger. This octopus is moving and rotating on the screen. This sprite can change its image during its moving. It can change from a UFO to a crab to an octopus and to a squid. This is a sprite box. It can change its color from white to red to green and to blue. This is my demo. And next, I will show my UML class diagram. I declared a concrete manager named alien type manager, which controls 4 images from the TGA, and the corresponding data node is alien type node. So the alien type manager controls alien type node, and there are 4 type of names. They are octopus, crab, squid, and UFO. And in manager abstract class, I defined 3 abstract class: create node, is correct node, and watch node. When manager's add method is called, it will call field result pro, and in this method, the create node, the derived method create node will be called. So this method is implemented in alien type manager. So the alien type manager know what type of node it will create. And when remove method is called, derived watch node method will be called, and also in the alien manager, the alien type manager know it should watch what type of node. In this case, it should watch the node of alien type node. And when find method is called, the derived method is correct node is also called, and this method is also implemented in the concrete manager. The argument type is just an int, because an enumeration type can be converted to an int. So if I use the int type here, I can pass many kinds of enumeration type to this find method. And in this method, there are 2 arguments: on D-link node and the enumeration ID that we want to find. So we just compare the 2 node, and because it's a concrete manager, it knows which type of node it should convert, and then it just convert the D-link to the concrete data node and compare the 2 names. And if the 2 names equals, it will return true. So I use this derived method to implement the abstract, to implement the find method. And I also create an abstract creator and a concrete creator. I use this sprite creator to create different sprites. This is a concrete sprite creator. Its arguments are alien type and position of x and y. So in this method, if first I need to use the find method of manager to find the correct node according to the alien type. And after that, I just use this new method to create edge data sprite and then return this p sprite. So the client doesn't need to know the concrete operations to create a sprite. It needs to do is just call this create sprite method of a factory class. So just like this game.cs. Here I declare create class variables, and here I just new instance of creator, and I will use the create sprite method to create many kinds of sprites. And this uses a factory pattern. And also I use alien type manager to control the 4 type of images. So I just create the manager like this. So the alien type manager will have 4 active nodes. They are octopus, crab, squid, and UFO. That's all.